So insulin was high.
A Jackson County lawsuit seeks to drive down the price of life-saving medicine for consumers and insurance companies. Jackson County is suing insulin makers, claiming that pharmaceutical companies are plotting to drive up the price of diabetes medicine for consumers and insurance companies. Fox 4's John Pepitone joins us now live from the UMKC campus today, where the county's Healthy KC Eastside program is actually expanding the treatment and the services for diabetics.
Yeah, that's true, Christelle. You know, Jackson County claims that the price of insulin has skyrocketed exponentially in the last 20 years, even though there have been no major changes to the drug or how it's made.
I was spending $80 and more, sometimes.
Bonnie Mims has had to choose between spending money on insulin for her diabetes
That's it, reading it.
or buying groceries, gasoline, or paying other bills. She's watched in horror as friends and relatives went blind, lost limbs, and even died because they couldn't afford to pay for diabetes medicine.
The cost of insulin, if I used my insurance, was just going through the roof for me. So I found myself stretching out my insulin to make it last longer because I couldn't afford to get the insulin every month.
Jackson County claims the average price of insulin in the United States is more than 10 times higher than the average cost people in other countries pay. The county claims drug makers use an unlawful rebate scheme to artificially drive up the cost of insulin for diabetic patients who need it.
We want pharmaceutical companies to fix it. Fix the problem, make it right, so people who need this life-saving medicine can afford it.
In response to criticism over soaring insulin prices, drug maker Eli Lilly has said, "We introduced multiple solutions that have progressively lowered the out-of-pocket cost for Lilly insulin. Today, anyone is eligible to purchase their Lilly insulin prescription for $35 or less per month." Other drug makers also claim net costs for insulin, the price after rebates and discounts, has been going down for several years. Now here in Missouri, diabetes is the 7th leading cause of death, and Jackson County is among the Missouri counties with the highest number of adults who have been diagnosed with diabetes. Lauren?